Good morning children, welcome back. In this video I am going to teach you rational number. What do you mean by rational number? And from where does the rational word come? Rational number has come from the ratio. Suppose 3 is to 5. 3 is to 5 is the rational number. 3 is your numerator and 5 is your denominator. So what do you mean by rational number? A number that can be expressed in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are the integers and Q is not equal to 0. So few statement I am written here, you have to see. So what that rational words has come from ratio, a number that can be expressed in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are the integers and Q is not equal to 0. If Q will equal to 0, it will not be a rational number. So this P by Q is known as rational number. P is known as a numerator and Q is known as a denominator. All the integers and fractions are also rational number. Two or more rational number called equivalent if they have the same value. Suppose 1 by 2, 2 by 4, 3 by 6. If you are going to lowest one, it will come 1 by 2 only. These types of numbers means fractions are known as a equivalent rational number. Two rational number P by Q and R by S if and only F. I double F if means if and only F equal to what? P into S equal to R into S. P means just doing the cross multiplication. 0 is also a rational number, but it is neither negative nor positive. In this chapter, we are going to study addition of rational number, subtraction of rational number, multiplication of rational number, and division of rational number, and equivalent rational number. Standard form means lowest term or the simplest form of rational number. So exercise 3.1 I am going to start. Exercise 3.3 question number 1, it is given that 5 by 8 minus 3 by 11 0 by 5 7 minus 4 minus 3 by 13 minus 17 by 6 minus 9 by minus 20. We have to find out the positive rational number. So according to the question 1, it is given 5 by 8 minus 3 by 11 0 by 5 7 minus 4 minus 3 by minus 13 minus 17 by minus 6 9 by minus 20. Here you have to write what? The positive rational number. Positive rational number means what? This is positive rational number. This is there is no value at all. So there was this one 5 by 8 7 minus cancel. This is also. These are the, therefore positive rational number is what? 5 by 8 7 minus 3 by minus 13, because minus cancel, it will be positive only. So minus 17 by minus 6. These are the following positive rational number. Now see question number 3. Find out 4 rational number equivalent to each of the following rational number. 3 first, it is given what? 3 by minus 7. We have to find out 4 equivalent. 4 equivalent means first of all, first one will be what? 3 by 7 into 2 by 2. Number 2 will be what? 3 by minus 7 into 3 by 3. 3 by 3. Okay, equivalent fraction you have to find out. Now minus 3 by minus 7 into 4 by 4. 3 by minus 7 into 5 by 5. Means these are the following 1 2 3 4, because 3 by minus 7 means what? 1 by 1, so it will come same only. So 3 by minus 7, this is what? 6 by minus 14. This is what? 9 by minus 21. This is what? 12 by minus 28. This is what? 15 by minus 35. These are the equivalent rational number. Please write down. Now see question number 5 first. It is given 5 by minus 9 rational number with the numerator 20 and denominator 54. We have to find out the numerator 20 and denominator 54 in question number 3rd. So first of all, question number 1, I am solving what? First in question number 5 1. So given number is what? 5 by 1. 5 by 9. We have to find out the numerator what? 20. So I have to multiply by what? So 5 by 9 means what? This is plus 5. Okay, so 4 I have to multiply. Here is minus 9, so I have to multiply it by what? 4 only. So because numerator, whatever the number you have to multiply by numerator, same number you have to multiply by denominator. So it will be 5 by 20. This is 5 by 4 means 20, and this is what? Minus 36. This is your required answer. Now 1/3 we have to make denominator 54, and the number is given what? 5 by minus 9. So I have to make the denominator 54 means I have to multiply what? 6, and this is what? If I multiply denominator by 6, so we have to multiply by same number with numerator also. Therefore this will be what? 30 by minus 54. This is your required answer. Write down please. Now question number 9. Question number 9, it is given that reduce each of the following rational number in standard form. The number is what? Minus 45 by 30. So first of all we have to find out the HCF of 45 and 30 equal to 15. So this number you have to divide by both the number. So 45 divided by 15 by 30 divided by 15. It will be what? Minus 3 by. This is your required answer. Now go for exercise 3.2. Question number 2 in exercise 3.2. This is very important question. Question number 2. This is given number line. The number line is what? Minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 are there. So here it is given TR is equal to SR equal to SU, and here AP equal to PQ equal to BQ, means this is 1, 2, 3. This is 1, 2, 3. Three parts are there. So 0 to 1. 0 to 1 we have to make what? 1 by 3, 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 1 by 3, 2 by 3, 3 by 3. Here means this is nothing is there, means what? 0 by 3. 0 by 3. This is what? If this is 0 by 3, this is 0 by 3. This is what? This is what we have to write. We have to write. First of all, you write down. Means this is question. This is your solution set. Please write down first the number line. So I am using two colors of pen. One is blue color, one is black color. This is 0. 0 means what? 0 by 3. 1, between 0 and 1 we have to make what? 1 by 3 into 3 part. Means 1 by 3. This is 2 by 3. This is 3 by 3. 3 by 3 means what? 3 by 3 means what? 3 by 3 means 1. So this is what? 4 by 3. This is 5 by 3. This is 6 by 3. So I can write what? 4 by 3. This is 5 by 3. This is what? 6 by 3. As we know, 6 by 3 means 2. This is what? 7 by 3 means this one. 7 by 3. This is 8 by 3. So the value of P. The value of P. P is representing whom? The P is representing 7 by 3. Therefore, the 7 by 3 and Q is representing whom? 8 by 3. Now same, we have to go like same only. This is what? This is minus 1 by 3. This is minus 2 by 3. This is what? Minus 3 by 3 means what? Minus 3 by 3 means 1 only. So this is what? Minus 4 by 3. This is minus 5 by 3. Now you see from the above we can see R is representing whom? R is representing minus 4 by 3 and S is representing minus 5 by 3. This is your required answer. I hope you understand this number line, and this is very, very important within this chapter. So you have to study this one nicely. Now question of 4 first, it is given which is greater, minus 4 by 7 or 0. As we know, 0 is neither negative nor positive, but here this is negative. Negative always is lesser than the positive. So therefore minus 4 by 7 is less than what? Less than 0. So therefore 0 is greater. Therefore 0 is greater than the pair. Write down. Now question number 6. First it is given what? Minus 3 by 7 minus 3 by 2 minus 3 by 4 in ascending order. Ascending order. For that, first of all, we have to take LCM. Therefore, LCM of 7, 2 and 4, this will be what? 28. Because why? 7, 2 and 4, this is what? By 2, it will be 7 only, this is 1 only, this is 2. It's 28. Now, 3 by 7, I have to make denominator 28. Because we have to make the denominator same, then we can understand which one is greater, which one is smaller. So this is 7, so I have to multiply what? To make 28. 4. Therefore, minus 12 by, now minus 3 by 2, we have to make denominator 28, so we have to multiply it by what? 14. So it will be what? Minus 42 by 28, and this is minus 3 by 4, means this is what? By 7 only, so it will be what? Minus 21 by 28. Now compare it, all the denominators are same, so you have to ascending order, means smaller to bigger, means first of all the smaller number what? Minus 42, means this is representing whom? Minus 3 by 2. Therefore after that minus 3 by 4, then minus 3 by 7. This is your required answer. Please write down. Now see question number 8 first. 8 first, it is given 3 whole 5 by 8, express the rational number as a decimal. So first of all, this is a mixed fraction, we have to change into improper fraction. This means what? 3 whole 5 by 8, I can write 29 by 5. Now 29 divided by 5, it will be what? Sorry, divided by 8. So this is what? 3. 24, this is 5, take point. 48, 2, this is 2, is 16, this is 4, means 0, so 5. So this is your required answer in the form of this. Write down please. Now exercise 3.3. This is 3.3. In this chapter, I am going to discuss about addition, multiplication, division of a Russell number. So first of all, first question is given 1 1. It is given add 3 by 11 and minus 5 by 11. So write down the solution. First of all, 3 by 11 add minus 5 by 11. Here the denominator is same, therefore LCM will come same only. Therefore, this will be 3 plus minus 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 5. So, minus 2 by 11. This is your required answer. Please write down. Now, question number 5. It is given sum of two number is given 2 by 5 and other number is given minus 4 by 7. Find the number. Find the number means one of the number is given 4 by 7. Let what? Let the number, this one number is given. One number equal to 4 by 5. Let other number be x. So according to the question, sum of the two number, one number is this one, other number is this one. Therefore, x plus minus 4 by 7 equal to 2 by 5. Now, this implies that I can write 7x minus 4 plus minus minus 4 by 7 equal to 2 by 5. Do the cross multiply. So this will be what? 35x, and this is what? Minus 20, and this will be what? Do the cross multiply. So it will be what? 14. Now 35x equal to 14. Take minus 20 this side, it will be 20 only. Therefore, 35x equal to 34. This implies that therefore x equal to what? 34 by 35. This is your what? Other number. Therefore, other number is 34 by 35. Please write down. Now, question number 10. It is given according to your question, the product of two rational numbers is 18 by 35. One number is minus 2 by 5. Therefore, let other number be x. According to the question, I can write what? One number is minus 2 by 5 and product means multiply into x equal to 18 by 35. Now, see, minus 2x by 5 equal to 18 by 35. Now, we can write what? Minus 2x equal to, do the cross multiply, 35, and it will be 18 into 5. Therefore, I can write minus 2x equal to 18 into 5 by 35. This implies that x equal to what? X equal to, I can write 18 into 5 by 35 into 2. This is 5. 5 7s are 35. This is what? 9. So x equal to what? 9 by 7. 9 by 7 means what? 9 divided by 7 means 7 ones are 7. This is what? 2. So 1 whole 2 by 7. No, this is minus 1. This is minus. So minus 1 whole, because this is minus 1. So 35 into 7. This 2 is minus 1. So let the other number be minus, hence therefore other number equal to minus 1 whole 2 by 7. This is our reply. Write down please. Now see, reciprocal. According to exercise 3.3, question number 12, first it is given 3 by 13 divided by minus 4 by 65. Reciprocal. So first of all, what I can write? 3 by 13. Change. First here we have to do reciprocal 2 because divide sign is there I have to do multiply means was 65 by minus 4. This is what? 5. So this one will be what? 15 by minus 4. Now reciprocal of minus means 15 by minus 4 is minus 4 by 15. This is your required answer. I hope you understand whatever the problems I have solved, and I'm sure you can solve the rest of the question. Please stay tuned for next chapter and subscribe my channel and try to give a like, impress like. Thank you. Have a nice day.